There was once a Zen monk who lived in a small hut in the mountains. He had few possessions and spent his days in meditation, chanting, and gardening. He was content with his simple life and felt no desire for anything else. One night, a thief broke into his hut, hoping to find some valuables. He searched everywhere but found nothing of worth. He was about to leave empty-handed when he saw the monk sleeping on a straw mat. He decided to take the mat, thinking that it might be useful for him. He quietly approached the monk and tried to pull the mat from under him, but the monk woke up and saw the thief. He smiled and said, "You must be cold, my friend. Please, take my blanket as well." He handed the thief his only blanket, which was old and torn. The thief was stunned by the monk's kindness. He felt ashamed of his actions and wanted to apologize. But before he could say anything, the monk said, "You must be hungry too. Come, let me make you some tea and rice." He got up and lit a fire in his stove. The thief followed him, feeling confused and curious. He wondered why the monk was so generous and friendly to him, even though he had tried to rob him. He asked him, "Why are you doing this? Why are you not angry with me?" The monk smiled and said, "My friend, I have nothing to be angry about. You have not taken anything from me that I need or want. Everything I have is yours, if it can make you happy. I am grateful that you have come to visit me. You have given me a chance to practice the power of my subconscious mind." The thief was puzzled by the monk's words. He asked him, "What do you mean by the power of your subconscious mind?" The monk said, "The power of your subconscious mind is the power to create your reality with your thoughts. Whatever you think about, you bring about. If you think positive thoughts, you create positive experiences. If you think negative thoughts, you create negative experiences." The thief said, "But how can you think positive thoughts when someone tries to rob you? How can you be happy when you have nothing?" The monk said, "My friend, happiness does not depend on what you have or don't have. Happiness depends on what you are or aren't. I am happy because I am a Zen monk. I have learned to control my subconscious mind and to live in harmony with myself and others. I have learned to be mindful of my thoughts and feelings even when I sleep. I have learned to reprogram my subconscious mind with positive affirmations and visualization. I have learned to heal my body and mind with my subconscious mind. I have learned to unlock my full potential with my subconscious mind. And I have learned to use my subconscious mind to create a better life for myself and for others." The thief was amazed by the monk's wisdom and compassion. He felt a surge of emotion in his heart and tears in his eyes. He said, "You are truly a remarkable person. You have shown me kindness when I deserved none. You have taught me lessons that I never knew before. You have changed my life with your words." The monk said, "No, my friend, you have changed your life with your thoughts. You have used the power of your subconscious mind to manifest this encounter with me. You have attracted me into your life because you wanted to learn from me. You have created this opportunity for yourself because you wanted to change yourself." The thief said, "But how can that be? How can I use the power of my subconscious mind? How can I change myself?" The monk said, "It is simple, my friend. Just follow these steps. 1. Do one thing at a time. 2. Do it slowly and deliberately. 3. Do it completely. 4. Do less. 5. Smile, breathe, and go slowly. These are the rules of living like a Zen monk." The thief said, "That sounds easy enough, but what do I do with these things?" He pointed at the mat and the blanket. The monk said, "You can keep them if you want them, or you can give them back if you don't want them, or you can give them away if you want to share them." The thief said, "I don't want them anymore. I want to give them back to you." The monk said, "Then please do so." The thief returned the mat and the blanket to the monk and bowed deeply. He said, "Thank you for everything. You have given me more than I can ever repay." The monk said, "You are welcome, my friend. You have given me more than you know." They hugged each other and smiled. The thief said, "Can I stay with you for a while? Can I learn from you?" The monk said, "Of course, my friend. You are always welcome here. You are my brother."